Now on this second part of the first video, we're showing all the boards. We have our assemblies, our SCRs, we have our snubber board, our firing board, and we have our regulator board. This is EMTech's regulator board. Now if we were to move over here, we have on the other hand, just as shown in this red line diagram, on the positive DC output we have the DC shunt that it's both used to feed as feedback to the ISO-3, and that's where we're looking at our current feedback, 0 to 50 millivolts. And we have out of the positive and the negative output, we have two resistors, a 7.5 and a 511K, as shown here. The 7.5K is connected to the positive where the shunt is. Then we have a 511, and we're picking up the voltage feedback at the junction between 7.5 and 511, which is referenced to the positive. And we're also going to be looking at the DC output with this differential probe. We'll be able to take a look at the waveform of that signal. The measurement that we have here is the AC input, the DC output of the rectifier, which will be a function of the voltage and current commands, potentiometers. We'll look at the 0 to 4 feedback being fed into the board. This is across this 7.5K quarter watt resistor for feedback, and we have the 50 millivolt shunt across, the 50 millivolt signal across the shunt. One of the three signals that we have here is on the 6100 board, just for reference, test point 5, which is our 60 Hertz A phase reference, and TP3, which is our delay angle. And what we have here on this other oscilloscope is we're going to have DC output out of the unit, and we're also going to have, just for reference, TP5, which again is the A phase reference for the 6100 board. On the second part of the test, we're going to turn everything on, we're going to control, and we're going to look at CCAR.